Now I'm talking about crossing over, that is recombination. The term crossing over was introduced by Morgan and Cattell in 1912 for the process of separation of linked genes. Morgan proposed that crossing over involved a physical exchange between homologous chromosomes during meiosis. This hypothesis was supported by the cytological observation of the Belgium scientist Franz A. Janssens. In 1909, Janssens observed chiasmata during prophase of first meiotic division. Barbara McClintock and Harriet Criston 1931 reported that the first evidence for crossing over in maize. During meiosis, each chromosome replicate, forming two identical sister chromatids. Homologous chromosome pair, that is synapse, and crossing over occur between non-sister chromatids. Crossing over takes place at 4-strand stage between pachytene and diplotin. Crossing over result in the recombination of linked gene. Continuous variation of attributed to crossing over when two genes are situated very close to each other in a chromosome. Hardly any crossing over is detected. The probability of crossing over between two linked genes is directly proportional to the distance between them. There is a greater probability for a crossing over to occur between two genes farther apart than two genes nearer each other. Mutual exchange of blocks of homologous genes between a pair of homologous chromosomes is known as crossing over. I am repeating, mutual exchange of blocks of homologous genes between a pair of homologous chromosomes is known as crossing over. A crossing over between linked genes allow their recombination during meiosis. Now I am talking about mechanism of crossing over. Crossing over involves breaking and rejoining of chromosome in the synaptonemal complex. During zygotine and pachytene stage of prophase first of meiosis, pairing takes place in such a way that the similar parts of a chromosome lie side by side, probably by mutual attraction between allelic genes. During diplotin, each chromosome is split longitudinally into two chromatids, so chromosomes are called sister chromatids. During diplotin, each chromosome is split longitudinally into two chromatids, so that each bivalent is now composed of 4 chromatids. The chromatid originating from the same chromosomes are called sister chromatid. एक ही क्रोमोसोम की जो 2 आर्म्स होती हैं वो सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड होती हैं, दूसरे वाले की नॉन सिस्टर. During the process of crossing over, the two non-sister chromatids come in contact at certain point. और जब क्रॉसिंग ओवर हो रहा होता है उस समय पैकेटीन की स्टेज में क्रॉसिंग ओवर होता है, तब तो नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमेटिन एक दूसरे के पास आ भी सकते हैं, कभी नहीं भी आते हैं. तो आते हैं तो उनके बीच में एक म्यूचुअल एक्सचेंज होता है और एक हिस्सा दूसरे से, एक क्रोमोसोम के एक पार्ट का दूसरे पार्ट से अटैच हो सकता है, और जहाँ पर ये दोनों मिलते हैं वहाँ पे एक पॉइंट का फॉर्मेशन होता है जिसे हम क्याज़मेटा कहते हैं. क्याज़मा फॉर्मेशन इज़ द रिजल्ट ऑफ क्रॉसिंग ओवर. तो जब क्रॉसिंग ओवर होता है तभी वो पॉइंट बनता है जहाँ पर वो एक दूसरे को कट करके रीजॉइन करते हैं. इस पॉइंट को बोलते हैं क्याज़मा. This is the region where crossing over takes place by breakage and reciprocal fusion of two non-sister chromatids. The point or place where homologous are held together and exchange bits of chromatids are known as chiasmata. The number of chiasma in a chromosome depend on its length. तो ये कई जगह पे भी काट सकते हैं, एक ही जगह पे भी कट सकते हैं. तो इस तरह से कई टाइप हो सकते हैं क्रॉसिंग ओवर के. Crossing over is a highly precise process as the two chromatids exchange exactly equivalent sequence, and except in very rare instances neither they lose nor gain any gene. At each chiasma, the two non-sister chromatids exchange their sections so that the chromosome carried in the gametes are new, as they carry genes which were originally not located in them. तो जब क्रॉसिंग ओवर हो जाता है तो म्यूचुअल एक्सचेंज की वजह से नए करैक्टर सामने दिखाई देने लगते हैं, क्योंकि अब कुछ पार्ट एक क्रोमेटिड का दूसरे में जुड़ चुका है. Now I am talking about types of crossing over. The type of crossing over depend upon the number of chiasmata present in chromosome. तो कितने पॉइंट्स पे कट लगा है इसके ऊपर क्रॉसिंग ओवर डिपेंड करते हैं उसके टाइप्स. The three types of crossing over has been recognized depending on the number of chiasmata. Number 1 single crossing over, number 2 double crossing over, number 3 multiple crossing over. Single crossing over. In single crossing over there is only one chiasma where chromatid और homologous chromosome contact. अगर एक ही जगह पे लगता है chiasma formation होता है, एक ही जगह पे एक दूसरे को रिप्लेस करते हैं, तो वो single crossing over हो गया. The chromosome break only at one point along their entire length. Bivalent having a single chiasma appear as open crosses. तो दूसरा एंड इसका ओपन रहता है. और सेकेंड वन इज़ डबल क्रॉसिंग ओवर. अगर दो जगह कट लगता है तो दो जगह पॉइंट बनते हैं chiasma. In double crossing over, the crossing over occur at 2 points in the same chromosome pair, that is the chromatid break and rejoin at 2 points. Here two chiasma produce a ring shape. तो यहाँ पर क्योंकि दो का लग रहा है इसलिए यहाँ पे शेप रिंग जैसी आएगी. And third one is multiple crossing over. In multiple crossing over, the number of chiasma formed is more than 2 in the same chromosome. तो एक ही क्रोमोसोम में दो से भी ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स पर अगर ये एक दूसरे को एक्सचेंज करते हैं और chiasma पॉइंट बनता है तो वो मल्टीपल क्रॉसिंग ओवर है. द chiasma प्रोड्यूस लूप लाइंग एट राइट एंगल टू ईच अदर. तो यहाँ पर मल्टीपल वाले में लूप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बन जाता है. नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग क्रॉसिंग ओवर. The frequency of cross between genes is basically depend upon the distance between the two, but a number of other genetic, environmental and physiological factors are known to affect the frequency of crossing over. For example, sex of the organism. In certain individual, crossover may be reduced, suppressed or even totally eliminated altogether. For example, male Drosophila show little crossing over. This process is very common in the female fruit fly. Second one, age of the organism. Second factor. Bridge 1917 in his studies on Drosophila has shown that with the increased age, the frequency of crossover, particularly of those genes close to centromere, would be substantially reduced. तो जो जीन सेंट्रोमियर के पास होते हैं उसको बताया था ब्रिज ने कि टाइम के साथ, एज बढ़ने के साथ साथ उनकी क्रॉसिंग ओवर करने की टेंडेंसी, क्रॉस होने की टेंडेंसी कम होती जाती है. थर्ड फैक्टर इज टेम्परेचर. द रेट ऑफ क्रॉसिंग ओवर विल बी फेयरली नॉर्मल एट अ टेम्परेचर रेंज बिटवीन 17 to 29 degree Celsius. Any alteration in this range, either decrease or increase, will correspondingly decrease or increase the frequency of क्रॉसिंग ओवर. दिस इज़ हाउएवर सब्जेक्टेड टू सर्टेन लिमिट. तो 17 से 29 डिग्री सेल्सियस के बीच की रेंज में क्रॉसिंग ओवर जो है उसकी रेट नॉर्मल होती है. नेक्स्ट फैक्टर इज डिक्रीज्ड hydration. Lowering of water content in the surrounding is known as to reduce the frequency of chiasma. It may even result in complete suppression of crossing over in extreme dehydrated condition. अगर डिहाइड्रेशन होगा तो क्रॉसिंग ओवर की टेंडेंसी बहुत कम हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द जीन्स. दिस इज़ परहैप्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर इन इन्फ्लुएंसिंग द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ क्रॉसिंग ओवर बिटवीन टू जीन लोकाई. एज हैज़ बीन रिपीटेडली pointed out, proximity between genes reduces the chance of crossover while distance increase the rate of crossover. तो जितने ज़्यादा दूर होंगे जीन वो उतनी ज़्यादा क्रॉसिंग ओवर होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी अधिक होगी. नेक्स्ट इज आयनाइजेशन रेडिएशन. ऑर्गेनिज्म सब्जेक्टेड टू इफेक्ट ऑफ आयनाइजिंग रेडिएशन लाइक एक्सरे शो इंक्रीज क्रॉस ओवर फ्रिक्वेंसी एज सीन इन द केस ऑफ ड्रोसोफिला. तो जितना ज़्यादा रेडिएशन होगा, आयनाइज रेडिएशन, उतनी ज़्यादा क्रॉसिंग ओवर होगी. वन ऑफ द रिपोर्ट ऑफ साई बिंगा indicate that even in Drosophila male crossing over may be induced by exposure to radiation. Work on Lilium and Chlamydomonas by Lawrence 1965 have indicated radiation effect on chiasma frequently. Next factor is chemicals. Certain chemicals which induce chromosomal aberration are also induce or suppress crossing over. Ethyl methane sulfonate is known to induce somatic crossover. तो इथाइल मिथाइल सल्फोनेट जो है वो सोमेटिक क्रॉसिंग ओवर को बढ़ा देता है. कॉल्चिसिन ऑल्सो प्रिवेंट क्रॉस ओवर बाय प्रिवेंटिंग पेयरिंग बिटवीन क्रोमोसोम. हाई डोज ऑफ सेलेनियम विल ऑल्सो रिड्यूस क्रॉसिंग ओवर फ्रिक्वेंसी. And next term is chromosomal aberration, means abnormality. Inversion in chromosome alter the gene sequence and thus reduce pairing and crossing over. This is particularly true in inversion heterozygote, when any crossover in the inverted portion would result in duplication and deficiencies in meiotic products. In addition, some of cytoplasmic factors are also known to have influence on the frequency of crossing over. So, summary of factor affecting crossing over is: number one, distance. The frequency of crossing over is directly proportional to the distance between them in the chromosome. In other words, the more distance to gene are in chromosome, the greater opportunity they have to be crossover. Second is age. With advancing age, crossing over frequency generally decreases. Third one, X-rays. Exposure to X-rays increase the frequency of crossing over. And temperature. Variation in temperature increase crossing over frequency. Now I am talking about significance of crossing over. Crossing over is universal in occurrence, found in plant, animal, bacteria, virus and molds, means fungi. It produces new individual having new combination of traits. It establishes the concept of linear arrangement of genes. The frequency of crossing over help in mapping of chromosome, that is determining the location of gene in the chromosome. It is necessary for natural selection as it increases chance of variation. Selection of useful recombination by genetics have brought about green revolution in India. Since the frequency of crossing over depend upon the distance between the two linked genes, the phenomena is used for preparing linkage chromosomal map. Breeders have to select a small or large population for obtaining the required crossover. For getting crossover between closely linked genes, a very large population is used. Useful recombination produced by crossing over are picked up by breeders to develop useful new varieties of plant and animals. Operation Flood or White Revolution is also being carried out by selective picking up of useful recombinants. The phenomena of crossing over is of great significance. It provides an inexhaustible stone of the genetic variability in sexually reproducing organisms. Since crossing over help in the development of new characters, it is a paramount important in plant breeding. As a result of crossing over, new gene combination are produced, which play an important role in microevolution. The frequency of crossing over is helpful in the mapping of chromosome. Crossing over also afford a proof for the linear arrangement of genes. Characteristic of crossing over occur at two levels: at gross chromosomal level, chromosomal recombination, and at DNA level, genetic recombination. Occur between non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome. Exchange in normally reciprocal but sometimes unequal. Frequency of crossing over is closely related to physical distance between genes located on chromosomes. There are two types of crossing over: somatic or mitotic crossing over and germinal or meiotic crossing over. Somatic or mitotic crossing over: when crossing over occur in chromosome of somatic cell of an organism during mitotic cell division, it is called the mitotic crossing over. Its occurrence is rare and has no great significance. Germinal or meiotic crossing over: when crossing over occur during meiosis, it is called a meiotic crossing over. Kinds of crossing over: single crossing over, double crossing over and multiple crossing over. Now I am talking about crossing over, that is recombination. The term crossing over was introduced by Morgan and Cattell in